Hi, I'm Debbie with Plow and Hearth, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and operate our smart fountain. And one of the things I really love about this smart fountain is that it can be displayed in just about any planter or container. The charger easily connects to the top, and the lithium battery can last up to 2 months on an 8-hour charge if you run the fountain 2 hours per day. First, make sure your remote is paired with the fountain. If it's not, plug in the charger, then press and hold either the left or right LED button for 5 seconds. So we're going to transform this planter into a fountain. You can use any size planter, but this one actually works really well with the reservoir that we have. And the reservoir is going to fit right in there with a little riser, the styrofoam here. So now I'm going to assemble the actual fountain. I'm going to place this smart fountain module right into the reservoir, and that just snaps right into place. And then you have options of different heights, or you can stack them and make that taller. And then you also have 2 different fountain nozzles, and then you're going to place that right into the basin. So now we're going to take this grate and we're going to place that right inside of the container. I'm going to place the module into the planter and then just add water. You need to tilt it to get the air bubbles out of there. Well, then last thing is, if you wanted to add some decorative rocks to the reservoir, take your remote control, and then you're just going to hit that red button, hold that down for 4 seconds, and that turns the fountain on. And we can adjust the height from low to medium to high. And then there's different lights that we can cycle through. We have blue, green, and then red, or no lights. So there you go, and your smart fountain is ready to enjoy.